Hey, Chef Andre here. Today we're going to do some broiled salmon. This is a fantastic dish. Super easy, super quick, and if you haven't tried fish before or had poor success with it, this is a foolproof recipe. And first thing we're going to do is start off with with one giant head or about two large heads of broccoli. We're going to segment it out. Next thing we're going to do is peel the stalk of the broccoli. This exposes the interior of the stalk, and it is delicious. It's probably the best part of the broccoli. Go through it ahead and peel all those, put them in a dish. Now we're going to get them ready for steaming. I'm going to put a half a tablespoon of ghee in the dish. Adds a buttery flavor to it while steaming. And people like butter. We're going to season it with some salt and pepper and add a little bit of water to the bottom of the bowl. About 4 tablespoons worth. Don't be afraid to use some good amount of salt and pepper on there. It'll be bland without it. Then we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap. Make sure it's nice and tight. So when we put it in the microwave, it steams it really well. Now we're going to put it in the microwave right now, but don't turn the microwave on. We've got 6-ounce fillets of farmed Norwegian salmon. Salmon from Norway, they have real strict policies on their salmon farming. It's high quality. Uses the right feed, and it's nutritious. It's not those horrible things you hear about for the salmon farms. Now this is my famous awesome salmon rub. Write that down. It's a great recipe. You could almost eat it dry. Season it real well. Sprinkle a little bit more olive oil on there and season it some more. Now we have our preheated oven on broil, 550. Now we're going to start cooking that broccoli. Put it in for 4 minutes and 30 seconds on high. Hit start. Now we're going to put the salmon in the oven on the top rack. And this is going to be quick. It's in about 4 minutes. That oven is crazy hot. Make sure you're using the right protection. And that salmon's all done. We're going to get ready to take it out of the oven. Make sure you're using the oven mitts or the silicone gloves for it. Be careful, the oven's hot, the pan's hot, and now there is 500 degree oil in the pan from the cooking of that salmon. Take it out. Make sure you don't ruin your countertops. So put something down on there. A dry towel, you don't want anything wet. It'll steam up and burn your hand. Now don't forget about that broccoli. Pull it out of the microwave. It'll be done now too. Don't let it overcook. If you just let it sit there and steam, it'll be a whole bunch of mush. Give it a quick little toss while the plastic wrap is still on there. It's going to coat the broccoli with that oil and the ghee and salt and pepper mixture. I'm going to poke 2 little holes in the top and the bottom of the plastic, and that's going to let the steam vent, and then pour out that the excess liquid there. Carefully take off the rest of the plastic wrap with a towel or use gloves. Make sure you're real careful, don't burn yourself. You can see how much steam is coming out of there. Steam burns are the worst. Now we're just plate it. Put that broccoli on the plate, real nice and pretty. Plating and presentation is everything. If it looks great, it's going to taste great. And now we're going to be real careful to get it on there. Don't break those pieces of broccoli. You want the stalk to be on there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the skin from the salmon. Now if you have guests or people that like the salmon skin, go ahead and serve it. From experience, most people don't like playing it with on their plate. So I take a spatula. It's got to have a little bit rigidity to it, and I put it right in between the salmon skin and the salmon, and you can see it just stays on the pan there, and carefully put it on the plate. You can get those spatulas at any restaurant supply store. I believe that one was $3. Won't scratch your nonstick pans, and it's great. So there you go. That's awesome. If you like that cool jazz, go to markwellicky.com. Write down those ingredients, and those will be in the on the video there too on the bottom. And thanks for watching. Let's make skinny tasty. And let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab at the bottom. Have a good one.